Compared to some other crypto projects, Shiba Inu is always abuzz with lots of activity. There's usually a new listing, adoption, burn, or project happening almost every time. So it is easy for SHIB holders to miss some really interesting information. So if you hold SHIB, make sure to watch this video to the end to be up to date with all that has been happening. Disclaimer. Welcome back to the channel, SHIB Army, and thanks for joining in for another video. If you're new to the channel, you're most welcome here. On this channel, I post daily updates about the Shiba Inu token. So if that's something that you're interested in, consider joining the family by subscribing to the channel and hitting the notification bell so that you never miss another video. Now let's get into today's video. To start with, burn rates have spiked by an impressive 1,500%, and it's because, this time around, whales have decided to join in on the fun. In the last 24 hours, more than 134 million SHIB were sent to the dead wallet, and this is thanks to the whales. In fact, just one whale is responsible for burning a whopping 126 million SHIB tokens. And it is not difficult to imagine that this one burn is what sent the burn rate soaring. With whales joining in on the burn party, we could reduce the circulating supply of Shiba Inu way quicker than we initially thought possible. Think about it. One whale just burned almost 130 million tokens. Imagine if a number of them burned the same amount of SHIB, even if it was weekly. We would be recording astronomical levels of burns, which would have no choice but to push the price of SHIB higher. But whales are not only good for burns. The fact that they're holding the token has enough effect on SHIB, especially because a good number of them are hodlers. FX Street reports that, based on an Into the Block report, 30% of Shiba Inu's investors are holding the token for investment reasons and with a long-term perspective. This has fueled a bullish sentiment among holders since the holding SHIB for investment reasons assures investors that there won't be an increase in selling pressure from traders shedding their holdings for profit-taking. But enough about the whales. Let's focus on Shiba Inu itself. What exactly is keeping the Shiba Inu token alive? There are many possible answers to this question, but many analysts agree that the correct answer is its community of investors. That is, the reason Shiba Inu is alive and continues to thrive is because of its community. According to Watcher Guru, SHIB is arguably the only token that doesn't face severe scrutiny from its investors even if its price dwindles. The Shiba Inu community is arguably the most active and loyal community within the larger crypto community. A lot of investors in Shiba Inu have so much faith in the token and the larger ecosystem that they're willing to continue to hodl regardless of price fluctuations. This is most probably due to the fact that there is almost always something happening within the ecosystem. It could be the announcement of an upcoming project or the launch of one, but the Shiba Inu ecosystem is rarely ever just dormant. This fact, it seems, is enough to help SHIB Army to keep hope alive and continue to hodl. Here's how Watcher Guru puts it. Shiba Inu investors are living in the future and not in the present. Investors are fully aware that SHIB will not spike in price anytime soon, but are equally confident that it will somehow reach a penny in the future. The fate that SHIB will eventually reach 1 cent is common in the majority of holders. Therefore, not many bat their eyelids when the price heads south, as they're mentally prepared that it will sooner or later reach a penny. Something else that has helped Shiba Inu to continue to thrive is the fact that there's a lot of fun and hype within the ecosystem and community, which can still be attributed to the community. While there are definitely accusations thrown at the dev team a number of times here and there, the general disposition within the community is one of oneness, calmness, and fun, which is helping during this crypto winter. Now, as I mentioned before, the projects that are being developed and launched within the ecosystem definitely have something to do with the disposition. With all the activity going on within the ecosystem, it's obvious that the dev team is trying to work as hard as they can to make sure that Shiba Inu does as well as it can, even with all the price fluctuations. What's more, the projects that the dev team is coming up with go to show that the plan is for Shiba Inu to be more than just a cryptocurrency. Think about it. The project has entered into partnership with a clothing brand and a food brand, not just for those brands to accept payment in SHIB, but for them to push out products in collaboration with Shiba Inu. This way, even when the crypto market decides to act however it wants, money can continue to enter into the ecosystem. And you already know that's not all. Shiba Inu is currently one of the early venturers into the metaverse, which is the future of the internet as we know it. And the crypto project is doing it with a bang, employing only the best and most skillful to design and develop its own version of the metaverse. Then there is the game, which will be launched anytime soon and will see gamers enter the ecosystem maybe. And that's not even talking about all the strictly crypto projects that are being developed like Shibarium. So yeah, there's a lot happening within the Shiba Inu ecosystem to help keep hope alive. And with the quality of projects that are cropping up, it looks like this hope is very well placed. But this is just my opinion. You can tell us what you think in the comment section below. Now to the general crypto market. Colorado has become the first US state to accept taxes in cryptocurrency, including BTC and ETH. But before we get into that, this channel has a daily giveaway of 100,000 Shib. For a chance to participate in the giveaway, all you have to do is subscribe to this channel, like this video, and leave a comment below. #ShibaInu. Good luck! The announcement for this was just made by the authorities of Colorado, and the taxes that can be paid for in crypto include individual income tax, business income tax, sales and use tax, severance tax, withholding tax, and excise fuel tax. However, Colorado's revenue department can still not accept direct crypto payments. So, residents will have to pay their crypto taxes via PayPal. PayPal would be serving as a broker for the crypto transactions, converting the crypto payments to US dollars, which the Colorado Revenue Department can accept. That said, while Colorado is currently the only state to accept tax payment in crypto, Utah already plans to do this. And according to what has been said, tax payment in crypto might go live in Utah in the year 2023. But Utah is the only other state that is considering this now. Hopefully, with the success of this payment method in these two states, other states and even countries will join the train. One last thing before we end this video. Back in March, Binance received a provisional license to operate in Dubai. This license allowed Binance to set up an office in the UAE and also provided services to pre-qualified investors and financial firms. However, just recently, Binance was able to obtain the Minimal Viable Product MVP license, which is an upgrade from the previous one, by the way. According to Cointelegraph, with the new permission, Binance will be able to offer a range of virtual asset-related services to qualified retail and institutional investors under the legislative framework for virtual asset service providers, aka VASPs. It will also permit the company to access local banking channels to provide open money accounts, virtual fiat currency conversions, asset transfers, custody and management, as well as token offering and trading services. With the United Arab Emirates now firmly in its corner, Binance plans to expand into other Middle Eastern countries. Already, it has obtained a license to operate in Bahrain, and other countries in the Middle East should be following soon. With that, we come to the end of this video. If you enjoyed the video, then please like this video and don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section. This really helps me with the YouTube algorithm. Also, please share this video to as many people as possible. Let's get this news out there.